This is the daily routine of workers at this factory near Chitezi landfill. These bottles are collected and brought here by various suppliers. They are paid 350 shillings per kilogram. The bottles are sorted and the label wrappers removed. They are then sent to the factory for recycling by crushing them into smaller quantities.
We bring these bottles after cleaning, we put them on the machine. The machine crushes them into pieces that are called flakes, like this one. It washes, but at a certain point, since it has also the cups, those cups can be separated at a separating tank.
The process ends in the dryer, which removes the water before the crushed pieces are emptied into the collection chamber. They are packed in bags of 60 kilograms, ready for export to China. This machine crushes at least 500 kilograms of the bottles every hour. Some of the bottles are collected from as far as Gulu, Arua, and even Juba. Across Uganda, thousands of bottles like this one remain uncollected in the environment. Over the years, we've seen the coming up of factories that are meant to recycle these bottles. This factory, for instance, recycles about 3,200 kilograms of these bottles every day. Despite this, NEMA says it's not enough.
Recycling contributes last year contributed only 6 metric tons of plastic removed from the environment, which is 0.6% of the total amount of plastics that are there.
There are no premise estimates of how much plastic is disposed of in Uganda annually, but huge quantities of bottled water or other soft drinks like soda are consumed every day in the country.
When you recycle, then that means even the plastic waste that is being put on fire reduces, because these gaseous emissions, there are so many illnesses are associated with the burning of plastic waste, as respiratory illnesses, among other illnesses including cancer, lung disease.
But the main concern here is how the bottles are disposed of.
Haphazard dumping of plastic waste anywhere. And to qualify this or be very specific, when you're moving in buses and other private vehicles, you see responsible people, especially those who have seen the blackboard, throwing plastic waste through the windows.
Officials of the National Environment Management Authority says the plastic manufacturers were tasked to ensure the bottles are collected and properly disposed of.
This was the Director Minister of Trade to instruct all plastic manufacturers to establish plastic collection centers across the country themselves. Right now they are waiting for Kitezi, they are waiting for rivers to clog and the people to go and wash and take back.
Therefore, the onus of these materials is being placed on the supplier, the manufacturer, or the person who brings it in the community to return it to a collection center so that people can treat it properly.
If not well disposed of, plastic can be very dangerous to health. A 50-year study released in 2009 attributed some cases of infertility, breast cancer, prostate cancer, diabetes, heart disease and obesity, among others, to poor management of plastic waste. Floating plastics like these disrupt marine life and poison or injure wild animals. Those that are buried on the ground release harmful chemicals that spread into the water system. It is therefore the reason why environmentalists say proper waste collection and disposal is key to ensuring that the risks are minimized. Moses Akena, NTV, Nature Files.